Everyone, a very good afternoon to you. I'm Suman Agarwal. I'm the co-founder and director of Image Consulting Business Institute, and we are here live on Spotlight series. And I'm going to be interacting with one of our consultants. She's a soft skills trainer and aspiring image consultant, and her name is Harneet. So Harneet is joining in. Let me see if she's already here. Hi Harneet, if you're already here, please send me a connection request. I'll just add you in the conversation. So let's get started, where I'm going to ask Harneet if how she's doing in terms of her soft skills journey, and she's just about to get certified in soft skills in image. See, she's already certified in soft skills, and she's just about to get certified in her image consulting journey as well. So let's get started with Harneet, and let's see if she's already here. She's joined. Hi everybody, welcome, welcome, welcome. So there are a big list of people who are already here, and people are still joining. So I'm going to take Harneet live with me in next couple of seconds. Let me just prepare everything. Okay. Hope you're all doing well. Hi Fatima. Hi Shweta. Hi Karen. Hi Priyanka. Okay, so let's get started, and we have Harneet here. Hi Harneet, good afternoon.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. How are you?
Very well. How are you doing?
Very well, ma'am. Thank you.
Excellent. So Harneet, how are things with you?
Ma'am, they're very well, going out very nice and certified with soft skills, and now looking forward for my certification in image.
Absolutely.
So work has already started flowing in, and I'm feeling like very quite enthusiastic and ready to work.
Super, super. So, what really inspired you to join ICBI after so many years of education?
Ma'am, actually, I am a learner, and I feel that every point in life, I was the one who thought that I will never leave learning. So I always wanted to keep learning, keep updating myself, keep upskilling myself with new things. And during the lockdown, when everything was shut down, and I used to sit on the laptop and scroll for what new I can learn. So at that time, I came across many institutes of image management, and I started hunting about them and reading. And it is then when ICBI came into my the laptop bookmarks that I need to study about it. And since I was an avid styler right from my childhood, so even during the lockdowns, when people were in their lowers and t-shirts, I used to be dressed up, decked up, because I did not wanted to feel that terror of that virus around myself. So I used to feel that no, I felt that yes, clothes have a power, and the way you dress up and the way you bring out yourself in your daily life definitely develops your psychology. So when I read about it, then I met my center head Shalini. Then I had a word with her, and at the very first instinct, I was knowing yes that this is what I was looking for.
Amazing, amazing. And you've been a Mrs. India winner.
Yes, ma'am.
How
2022.
has that changed the way you see yourself?
Ma'am, Mrs. India actually was a hidden passion. I would not hide that. I've been an educator from past 17, 18 years, but somewhere I was very fond of the camera. I was never afraid of the stage and the camera. And somewhere that used to pull me to do something. And as I told you that during the lockdown, when all of us were absolutely free, the mind horses were running in all directions that I have to do something. So I came across this ad of Mrs. India, And randomly, I just forwarded that message to my husband and I asked him, I said, what do you say? Should I participate? And then he was like, "Ki, why not? If you want to do it, then try it. Let's do it." And the auditions were happening in Indore at Sayaji. So I did not have to travel at that time, and auditions were in my city. I went, I appeared for Mrs. India. I came back. I was a little apprehensive because there were so many participants who had actually appeared for the auditions. But then next day the mail did not come. So I was like, maybe I'm not selected, but I tried. But next day, I got a mail from them that you've been selected from Indore, and we have chosen only two Mrs. Category, two females for the Mrs. category, and you're one of them. So then we flew to.
How was the feeling?
It was overwhelming. It was very. I thought I had just reached one step closer to my dream. I've always wanted to be there on the stage. So,
अब
yes.
तो आप इमेज कंसल्टेंट सॉफ्ट स्किल्स ट्रेनर बन रहे हो तो फिर स्टेज पे ही रहोगे हमेशा.
Ma'am, वैसे भी I've attended so many of Impulse, so I've always seen, and that is my dream कि नहीं stage तक तो आना है, and आप लोग हो तो I know I will be there soon.
Of course, absolutely. So, what's been your biggest takeaway from the ICBI training?
Ma'am, a point came when I just started with the soft skills first, and then I pursued my image. There was one session about emotional intelligence. I think that one particular session exactly changed my entire. It was just a transformational session for me. Matlab, so much of in depth in your feelings and how you can actually control them, your interpersonal skill building. I felt, and I discussed it with my husband also. I said, ये एक ऐसा कोर्स है जो हर बच्चे को, हर फीमेल को, हर मेल को करना ही चाहिए. It's not about you convert it into a profession or not, but it is a life skill.
True.
I have learned so much from these soft skill sessions. Every session I used to feel कि मैंने कुछ नया पहलू अपने आप का ही देखा. I was developing myself. मतलब I was learning every day. I was learning something new and learning some
But learning
science.
के अलावा आपने implement भी किया अपने ऊपर
Yes,
कि नहीं?
yes. It has actually changed the way I've started tackling my situations. I've seen.
Nice.
It has impacted me in a holistic manner. A lot of science behind why we behave like this and what we should do. So all those transactional analysis, ego states, everything, they have actually added a sense of, learning and maturity in me.
In fact, I wanted to ask you that has this program helped you in your
Yes.
career counseling journey as well?
Yes, yes. Because now I सिर्फ अपनी पर्सपेक्टिव को देखने के अलावा आई started looking जो उस side of the table है. So I've started developing a lot of empathetic feelings की एक positive note that if he is behaving like that, maybe he has some problem. Let me discuss. Let me open up. So that judgmental wala part has gone down and empathetic part has come up, and I'm able to better interact and communicate with my students also.
Also, I think you are in a better position once you have acquired so many skills. You are able to read in between lines because there are certain unspoken words
Yes.
which come into light where you are able to see the obvious which is not spoken. So that's also very important for a career counselor to understand that why certain things are not spoken and what is the hidden meaning behind it.
Yes. So, ma'am, the coaching skills session also helped me a lot. Now I know how to coach my students and get the answers from them instead of pushing anything on them. So they open up also. Now I think my approach has changed. So probably the results have become better. So all this is because of the knowledge that I've got through ICBI soft skills training program. So that was wonderful. I was like that. Why didn't I do this when I just passed out college or when I did my graduation? Why didn't I do this course?
And that is why now we are pushing, and a lot of schools have started adopting
Yes.
soft skills because international schools, the base curriculum only is soft skills.
Yes. So, ma'am, here also, I have approached one school. It is one of the biggest organization in Indore, and they have included this curriculum of soft skills in their finishing school curriculum.
Wonderful.
So
wonderful.
I was there associated with them on a full year contract last year also, and I'm continuing this year for 2025 as well.
Excellent.
So schools are getting those awareness now that yes, kids need to be a overall package. So like yes, they are focusing on all these things.
So, What has changed in your life after doing soft skills program?
Well, as I told you, I've become more emotionally intelligent. I've started writing my goals. The main first point that I've learned is everything you write. And that is what I tell my students as well. I've started putting that habit into them from now, that start writing what you want to achieve. Put everything on paper because that is what helps you achieve your goals. So time management has also come into place. A lot of things I'm able to complete, a lot of tasks I'm able to complete in a day. So that scheduling, that emotional intelligence, as I told you, stress come ho gaya because time management बहुत अच्छा हो गया है. So all those things I think were somehow by default they are a part of our lives, I think, but we don't know how to implement them. So
Correct.
the science of implementing and why and what are the benefits after learning them, I'm trying that I like achieve 100%, but yes, I've started putting a lot of it into my personal life also.
So now tell me honestly, what is that one soft skill that you were missing, which you were able to fulfill in terms of your need after doing this program?
As I told you, emotional intelligence.
अच्छा
So
तो वो
during the
आपको
lockdown, yeah, actually during the lockdown, I was going through a lot of emotional ups and downs, because of which I lost my a little bit of my health as well, and I was down. So after learning emotional intelligence and after reading through all the notes and everything, and then watching videos regarding that, it gave me an awareness that how much of our emotions are under our control, that we should not let them master our brain. So they are all under our control, and how to manage them, that is the biggest lesson that I have learned, and I was very happy. I don't know, वो session एक मेरे दिमाग से आज तक नहीं निकलता, and I was very happy doing that session.
इसको निकालो भी मत दिमाग से, निकालने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. And how do you see yourself when you see your clients grow in confidence? Because you must be seeing your clients in different phases, right? Sometimes they are absolutely low in confidence, sometimes they are in the midway, and then they reach a peak where they are absolutely confident. So what's your feeling and how do you actually take them through the entire process? पूरा process समझाने की जरूरत नहीं है, but in a nutshell, what do you do? What is the kind of work that gets put in with your clients in that manner?
Um, Credit goes to you also, because I've learned a lot of things from you. I had heard
Wow.
your story
अच्छा.
during the meetings and everything. So I think that जब हम खुद उस जर्नी से निकल रहे होते हैं या हमने वो चीजें खुद फेस की होती हैं, तो जो गलतियां हमने की होती हैं हम अपने क्लाइंट्स के साथ चाहते हैं वो गलती को ना करें, and how we can help them and prevent them from drowning. So with my clients, with my personal clients, also those who are coming to me for soft skills, I always try to navigate between their thoughts. I let them speak up. All those things are only between me and them. And then I try to navigate them through their own thoughts, through coaching skills, and through a lot of questionnaires and activities, so that they are able to find out a solution themselves. I don't take them directly to the solution. I want them to analyze कि अगर ये नहीं था तो ऐसा हो जाता, ऐसा होता तो ऐसा हो जाता. And probably I have gone through all those things, so I feel that when I see them growing, and I have seen, ma'am, I would like to share a personal experience. There is one client with me. When she joined me for the soft skills and image makeover sessions, at that time she came to me like, I have younger children and I nobody values me at home. I think I'm not capable, although I'm an MBA. So before marriage, also family was that you are a girl child, so you'll get married and you'll go. So they never let me involved in the business and everything. But now, after taking 6 months of sessions with me and inculcating new habits into her, right, writing, journaling, and then the structure of clothing and all those things which I could help her through. And I'm in December, she got a job.
Wow.
And then she called me and she messaged me and she said, your sessions were like so helpful. I've actually gained a self confidence in me that I could achieve this.
I think we lost each other for a moment.
Yeah.
Now it's fine.
Yeah. So that was literally a proud moment, because helping somebody achieve their dreams, I think, is the biggest success you can ever achieve.
Very true. Very
Yeah.
true. Absolutely. So, how easy or difficult was it for you to restart after getting married, having children? Was it like a challenge, or you thought that, abhi ye to aaram se ho jayega because you had like a great support system?
It was a challenge, definitely. I got married very early. I got married at the age of 19. I had not even completed my graduation.
Hmm.
So I was the one who was like, I will not leave my studies. And definitely the support system is very good. My husband is very cooperative. He was that, yes, you continue with studies. But then, ma'am, being a female, being mother, you have your priorities. So I thought that let me finish off with my priorities. Let me, because I was 19, then my first son was when I was in 20. So taking care of him and then uski education, and then by the time I took a break of 2 years and then I did my MA in English literature, and then I had my second son. So I thought that let me figure out their schooling and everything, let them get into school and a different schedule, and then I would pursue my education ahead and let me learn new things.
Hmm.
It was a challenge, definitely, taking care of the house, your husband, kids, and then making out time for fulfilling your career dreams also. But yes, I was able to navigate because I kept holding to that one thing that I have to do it. I cannot let go. And I have this tattoo also here, which reminds this is my life motto: I refuse to sink.
Wow.
So
So
this is what,
inspiring.
so this keeps me going every time, and definitely family support is always there. They want me to work. My kids are very happy. The elder one is now studying, doing his job in US, completed his graduation. He keeps on telling me, "Mama, kuch karte rehna, kuch karte raho." So that is very inspiring when you have a family who supports you. Definitely.
Very good. Very good. And what are the kind of clients that you work with?
And basically, I'm working with students because I've been into education from past 17 to 18 years. So that comfort zone around kids is very much. I've started tackling new students also from college now who are coming for soft skills and interview preparations and image makeovers. I'm also now dealing with females, homemakers, who are very low on their self esteem and self image, and I want to boost that up. I want to just take them through that journey from where I began, and today I'm here. So if I can do it, you can do it too.
In
So I,
fact, just to add to what you just said, uh, what advice would you give to women who actually feel in life that now it is too late?
age is just a number, and I would tell them to focus on their life journey, not on what they've achieved. कुछ करते रहना बहुत जरूरी है, तभी हम अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंचेंगे। ये सोचकर कि I'm 40 plus and we don't start, then how are we going to reach that? And then that vacuum will always be there. So
And
trust
I don't think that you need to have any age limit to do
age.
anything in
Yes,
life.
yes, definitely.
कुछ किसी भी चीज की लाइफ में एक्सपायरी डेट नहीं होती है दवाइयों के अलावा, तो इसलिए प्लीज अपने ऊपर एक्सपायरी डेट मत लगाओ.
And ma'am, Aap and sir, both of you, sir, and you are live examples in front of us that age is just a number.
Absolutely.
So we have to keep
Absolutely.
going. There are no
I'm turning
excuses.
50, by the way, in the next couple of days. So, of
That
course,
is what I'm
I
saying.
more believe in that.
Yes, yes, yes. So, ma'am, एक और चीज what I have got from ICBI is this beautiful family and this fraternity of like-minded people who actually grow and help everybody else to grow around them.
Yes.
I've really been so lucky to be a part of ICBI or being a part of the IMPA family because there is so much to learn, so much to aspire from, and every year I get a new milestone कि अब वहां पहुंचना है. Every year there is a new target shift for me, and every year I feel कि this is the company which I always crave for.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And I
All
think a lot
thanks
of
to you for forming this community and this organization. So we all are
thank
there.
you. Thank you so much. And of course, everybody in ICBI, in IMPA, the main motto is to work in collaboration, not have competition. There is nothing called competition because competition में क्या होगा? There is, first of all, hardly any competition because everybody has their own target market.
Yes.
When you have your own target market, you can only collaborate. You can't compete with each other. And you can never grow when there is competition. You can only grow when there is collaboration. So always have that growth mindset. फिक्स माइंडसेट में रहोगे मैं ऐसे ही हूं या मैं ऐसा ही हूं तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला लाइफ में.
Correct.
So I think we are all going in the right direction. It's just that we have to just look ahead, not get distracted. And I'm absolutely sure that everybody who has focus, who has direction, who has intention, which is very important, ये तीन चीज है तो success is just there.
सेम सिमिलर ईयर मैम, सेम थॉट्स आया कि अगर काम करने की नीयत है तो काम की कमी नहीं है, काम
Absolutely.
बहुत है। और अगर काम की नीयत ही नहीं है तो फिर वी हैव दैट एक्सक्यूज वाला फैक्टर ऑलवेज विथ अस, दैट वो फिर दैट इज जस्ट टू गिव योर सेल्फ दैट कंसोल लेवल कि नहीं काम नहीं मिला या वो उसको मिल गया या ये मिल गया। आई थिंक देयर इज इनफ वर्क फॉर एवरीबडी आउट देयर।
True. Absolutely. Uh, how would you describe ICBI in one sentence to somebody who's curious?
Oh, difficult to describe ICV in one sentence, though. But yes, I would say that it is a community for success. It is the one that brings you very close to your life path. It helps you achieve what you desire. So for me, ICBI has been my, you can say, path breaker in my life when I was like stuck up what to do, what not to do, how to move forward. Then it was ICBI that came into my life and it has changed completely.
Wow. And any message for all those who are stuck and not able to decide how to move forward in life?
Just take the first step.
Very
just
simple.
just take the first step. जो दिल बोले, दिल की बात सुनकर और एक स्टेप लेना, द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, द रेस्ट ऑफ द पाथ यू फ्रेम आउट।
Absolutely. Absolutely. Amazing. So this was absolutely very candid and very heart to heart conversation, Harneet. And it was really, really great to have you here on Spotlight series.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for having me.
And I think we have a couple of questions. I really want to get in touch with you all if it is possible. So, Ajay, please send us a DM. And you can also explain why you want to get in touch. If you want to do a program, you can express your interest, and our team will get in touch with you. Digital Pavan, yes, thank you so much. Collaboration is very important. Who else? How to start? NK. NK, if you want to start your journey as an image consultant, soft skills trainer, just send us a direct message. Once we receive that, we will always be happy to connect with you. My team will get in touch with you. Excellent. If there is any other question that you have for Harneet or for myself, please feel free to connect right here, right now, because we'll be taking questions for the next 2 to 3 minutes. And if you have anything, please put it in the comment section. Please recommend how to start. NK. Send us a direct message on ICBI India and we will get in touch with you. Can I join your team? Elegant by Monica. You want to join our team? You can join us as a student. So you can just write to us, directly send us a message on ICBI India and we will see how to connect with you. All right. So, all right. So just send us a direct message. If there is anything that we can do for you, we'll be happy. Anybody who has a question for Harneet, please feel free. Harneet is a certified soft skills trainer and about to become an image consultant too. Nisha, are there online classes for soft skills? Yes, Nisha, you are already a student with us. So if you are looking for classes for soft skills, please feel free, get in touch with us and we'll be happy to assist you in any way possible. All right, so we have Shweta. Hi, ma'am. Any question? Harneet, can you please share how you actually started working for and with people? Yes, Harneet, that's a question for you.
So I have been an educator. So I was always working with people. But after completing my soft skills training, I actually approached a lot of institutes, schools, and colleges for soft skills training for students. I did a lot of pro bonos in clubs and in female groups also. And that is how I started. And I feel that after doing soft skills added to my career counseling academics also, it gave me another star, another feather in my hat, and it became very easy for me to communicate with students. and helping more than 500 plus students in and around Indore, counseling them with careers and their problems and soft skills training, everything. So I think this is how I began. I started first looking for my networks where I can go and I start taking sessions for kids and for students. This is how initially I started, and now I get my personal students, my personal calls. I have my institute with the name of Achievers Camp in Indore. So here, then we have a complete team who now we work as a team.
Wonderful. There are a couple of questions more. In how many months or days we will see change in ourselves?
Regarding,
That's for you. After I think you finish the program.
oh, definitely during the journey itself, you will feel a lot of changes. After every session, you feel yourself growing and evolving, and you get so many new ideas in mind and so many work. And definitely, ICBI business platforms also help you a lot to achieve. They guide you, handhold you to build up a business. And that I've seen so many of Rakesh sir's webinars going on. So this is a complete journey. Once you begin into it, there is no looking back.
Absolutely, absolutely. Like in terms of body language as well as a speaker. Okay, so how can you become a speaker?
Body language, I think yes, it takes time. It is like with mindfulness and being present in the moment, and again practicing and keeping a watch on yourself. And as a speaker as well, the more you read, the more you attend the sessions, the more you participate in the group activities, you will definitely evolve every day.
Wonderful. Any other question that you have for me or for Harneet, please feel free because we will be closing this live session soon. Okay, so I think we are done. Okay, no more questions. Amazing. All right. Thank you so much, Harneet. This was wonderful to have you here as my guest on Spotlight with Suman. And looking forward to seeing you as a very successful image consultant and a soft skills trainer. I'm also
Thank you so
nearing
much.
50s and dependent. NK, if you're dependent till 50, then I think it's time to take some action. So please get in touch with us and make an informed decision after you have a conversation with the team. All the very best to everyone. All the best, Harneet.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
I'll
Thank you so
see
much.
everybody once again next week. Until then, this is Harneet Chabra, Suman Agarwal signing off for today. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.